When selecting your aquarium, the first decision to make is where are you going to put this aquarium. Now in general you'll have a few different options for where you could potentially put your tank. So you need to consider which one is going to be best for the aquarium. You want to try and keep it away from hallways and try